Hello, this is Sheri Lee from eLearning for Humankind. In this video, we'll cover how to add branding to your Storyline player. In the July 2021 version of Storyline, they added a new feature that allows you to add your logo or some type of branding to the Storyline player. Great advantage. So as you can see here, I already have a cover slide that I've started, and just for the purpose of this video, just some filler character text, and I have branding here in the corner. I have a second slide, doesn't have much information, just a header and branding here in the corner. But to add branding to the player, what I'll do is from the home menu, go to player. And there are a couple of things that we need to do to clean up the player. We get a nice preview of the player initially, but to add the logo, what we'll do is go down here to the center section, toggle on logo, and then click the plus logo link. I have my logo saved to the desktop, so I'll just select image from file. You may have yours in the media library, and in that case, you would select media library. But let's go ahead and select image from file. Again, I have mine saved to the desktop, so I'll just select desktop and eLearning logo. So you get a preview of the logo, and I put this together really quick, so not a lot of customization to the logo here. So click open, and you get a nice preview of the logo as it will appear above the menu. Now, if I was actually going to publish this course, I would probably change the name of that first slide, or at least hide the title of the first slide. We won't go into those details. We'll cover that in another video. But just to make this really clean and good, we'll turn on title and change untitled title to branding Storyline player. Okay, and just hit enter. And as you can see now, that title appears here. So this is what the player will look like when a learner opens a new e-learning module. It's quick, it's easy, it's great to see. And actually, let's take a look at it in action. So click OK, and let's preview the course. So click the preview button, and it takes just a second. And as you can see, my logo appears here on the menu. Now, you may or may not want to have the logo here on the menu as well as here in the slide. I don't mind having it in both places because you have the option to close the menu and I still have the logo on screen. But if you choose, you can actually hide this logo here on screen and you still have some branding that's done to the menu. Again, quick tutorial on how to add your logo or branding to the Storyline player, and just to review quickly. Once you're ready to publish the course, you'll click on player. The player settings will open. You'll select logo, click the plus logo here. And in fact, if you want to get rid of the logo or change it, you can click the trash can here. That'll get rid of it. To add it back, you click the plus logo. I will add my image from a file, select desktop. In my case, yours is wherever you have it stored, and select the file image name. And there you go. Thank you for watching. And again, this is Sheri Lee from eLearning for Humankind.